Gathered from reviews across the internet, the Whoobli punching bag for kids has proven to be a popular choice for parents looking to provide their children with a fun and active way to channel their energy. This punching bag set, designed for kids aged 3 to 10 years old, comes with boxing gloves and an adjustable stand, making it a versatile toy that grows with your child. If you've tried this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Whoobli punching bag is praised for its durable construction. Made from robust PU leather, it is designed to withstand the energetic punches and kicks of children without losing its shape or integrity. Parents have noted that the bag holds up well under normal use, providing hours of healthy fun for active kids. The freestanding design allows the bag to bounce back after each hit, mimicking professional boxing equipment and keeping children engaged. One of the standout features is its adjustability. The punching bag's height can be modified from 34 inches to 44 inches, accommodating children as they grow. This adaptability ensures that kids of various ages and sizes can enjoy the punching bag without feeling frustrated. The round base is solid and features a carry handle for easy transportation, making it convenient to move the set around the house or backyard. Safety is another area where the Whoobli punching bag excels. Its inflatable body minimizes the risk of injury during play, and the lightweight design makes it easy for children to handle. However, adult supervision is recommended during playtime to ensure proper use and safety. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the included pump and full instructions. Parents have reported that setting up the punching bag is quick and hassle-free, allowing kids to start playing almost immediately after unboxing. The kit includes 6-ounce boxing gloves that are suitable for younger children, but may not fit older kids comfortably. The punching bag promotes physical fitness by encouraging active play. It provides an outlet for releasing energy constructively and can serve as a tool for stress relief or anger management. Additionally, it helps develop gross motor skills, coordination, and body awareness in young children. Despite its many positive attributes, some users have reported durability issues after extended use. Common complaints include problems with the base spring developing a lean over time, seams on the bag fraying or untucking from the base, and difficulties with maintaining proper inflation levels due to unclear guidance in the instructions. These issues appear to arise after several months of use, suggesting that while the product is sturdy initially, it may not be built for long-term heavy use. Another point of concern is the sizing of the gloves included in the set. While marketed as suitable for ages 3 to 10 years old, parents have noted that the gloves are more appropriate for younger children within this range. Older kids or those with larger hands may find them uncomfortable. Customer service from Whoobli has been highlighted as exceptional by several reviewers who experienced issues with their purchase. The company has been commended for promptly replacing defective items and ensuring customer satisfaction, which adds value to buying from this brand. Overall, the Whoobli punching bag for kids offers a fun and engaging way for children to stay active while developing important physical skills. Its adjustable height and durable design make it suitable for a wide age range, although parents should be aware of potential durability concerns if used heavily over time. If you're looking for a gift that promotes physical activity and imaginative play, this punching bag set could be an excellent choice. Remember that you can find this product using the link in the description. It supports our channel. If you've purchased this item before or have experience with it, please share your thoughts in the comments below so others can benefit from your insights.